Yo, so if you guys bought one of these from eBay or whatever and it's not giving you any sound, um, try this out because it worked for me. But mine originally said it wouldn't be compatible with the premium audio system that it has, which is a '08 Civic Si. But, so look, this one, where is it? G8 is, where is it? Right here. Antenna. So that one, you're going to connect this wire to. Let me show you. There is a rat's nest, so don't mind it. But originally, what people were saying is the one in this harness with all the RCAs, which is a blue wire. I already had it extended, that you just connect this one to your factory amp trigger wire, which is that light blue one. I did that, but it didn't work still. So I read somewhere else that you connect it to the antenna wire, which is the one that I just showed you, the G8, which is connected on this one. It's already in its own harness. So what I did, just a quick mock-up, was this amp one. You cut, splice, and then you're gonna put it right into this one, which for testing purposes, it worked. Let me turn the car on. I just have that towel because of shifter. But we can see right here. 1 second. Turns on. Change that station. There you go. Boom.